Well, yeah, boys and girls, it's Michael again from Miniature Painting, and it's time to do a test. A test, you say? Yes, a test. I have seen a lot of YouTubers like Marco Frisioni, if I am okay to say it like that or pronounce it like that. I really hope I do. And Goobertown Hobbies, hey there Brent, hope you see this video, who are actually using a lot of Liquidtex, and by Liquidtex I mean these kind of inks. So here's a blue one, and here's a really deep purple one, and the whole reason for this is that I see a lot of people using it via airbrushes, but not a lot of people are using it via brushes. So I wanted to check out what is the difference. So I first of all I am going to try it with soapy water. Yes, there's actually soap in here. And I am using it with some medium. And then I'm going to use it pure, and I'm going to do everything. So I need 5 volunteers. 5 is Dutch. 5 is English. And I need 5 volunteers. Are there any Nightstalkers in the house? Oh, there you go, 5 volunteers. How awesome is that? I did Zenithal highlight 4 of them. See? I just built them. There's a lot of mold lines on. So don't complain about this. I just wanted to build them for this test. And then there is one pure white. So what I am going to test is the pure one. There you go. A pure mixed. How was that? There you go. A pure mixed one. Jesus. Ah, never mind. You know what it is. It's pure mixed. Medium. Then we have one medium mixed. And it's just to see how it brushes on and how it goes. And then we have one soapy water. It should use should go down as a wash one. So this is what we're going to do on this video, and let's try it with the blue one first. Then we have one medium mixed, and it's just to see how it brushes on and how it goes. And then we have one soapy water. It should use should go down as a wash one. So this is what we're going to do on this video, and let's try it with the blue one first. We're back again with the dried up miniatures. So let's take a look. So the pure one, which was also the complete white coated, looks a bit like this. And don't look at those spots, I just didn't paint. Like I said, this is just for a test. And the cool part of this is that it's a really thin paint. So basically this really does a good job. If you dry brush this, you paint this will be pretty awesome. When you look at pure mixed, but over a zenithal highlight, look at this. This is where the inks really shine out. See, there's the zenithal highlight showing, The black underneath. The white. Jeez, come on, focus! There you go. The white on top. This, in my opinion, looks the best. Still, from those two. Then we have a zenithal highlighted with medium. Also here you can see light and well, the zenithal showing through really good. So this is a win for me as well. Then we have the medium mixed, which is the blurple. And what comes to mind when I look at this miniature is that this one is really glossy. Is it glossy? It shines. So the color is good, by the way. Is this as glossy as well? Yes, this is actually it. But on some kind of strange reason, this one shows the gloss a bit more. See? It could also be the miniature. This one was here, that one was here. And then something strange happened. I think I used a bit too much water. But the wash I wanted to make turned into a filter. As you can see, the color picked it up really good. So if we look at the base, that should do it as well. Yes, I think Liquidtex really has some potential. So this is the blue ink. How does it come out of the pot? Actually pretty the same. That's pretty good. Most of the ones, most of the washes and stuff tone down. But this one actually, can you see me? There, if you look at the reflection, you can see the color which is in the pot. It's really hard to see now, but oh, it's even green. That's weird. Anyhow, I hope this video was a bit entertaining as well as instructional, or how do you say it? Instructional, informative. And if it was, give this one a thumbs up. And if you really love the videos and like to see more of this kind of videos, please subscribe, hit that bell button, and well, do anything you like in the chat. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. That was a burpee. Hope to see you soon. May the dice be forever in your favor. And on to the next videos.